So I have not started the Jeep in a few weeks. Been super busy and I've been sick. So I'm gonna finally wipe it down and clean it out, get it started. I did buy a new seat for it. I don't know if I'll install that today. It's gonna be quite a project, I'm sure. But I just got my little baby wipes. I'm gonna do the best I can. So cold. Alright, let's see if this starts. Attempt to vacuum. These are really nice. I like these. It's kind of just breathable rubber. Gotta get some stuff sucked out and just clean it up a bit. So in a few days, I'm gonna order another seat to replace this one. It is falling apart. These are the original seats, I believe. But yeah, I'm gonna get some waterproof ones, or sort of. So I got some decals for my Instagram, for my Jeep, and then for the Jurassic Park Motor Pool division Instagram as well. I'm gonna put them on the Jeep, I think right here, because they are white. I didn't really think about it. I was gonna put them here, but they won't really show up as well.